Hello, my name is Peter Zunkel, and I will show you today how you can enable an SDP trace in the desktop client without having to restart the Dimensions listener. To do this, you go to your desktop client session and, if not already done, enable the console view. You click into the console view and start typing set SDP trace on / user directory equals, and then you specify a directory of your choice which does need to exist. Hit enter and you get a confirmation message saying that the log has been started. Now you perform the operation you want to trace. In this case I will just do a simple get on the file. Once the operation is completed, you type set SDP trace off. Again you will get a confirmation message. When you now go to the directory which you specified during the command, you will see the log file there. You will also find this information in our knowledge base article S140288. Thanks for watching and goodbye.